I'm from kind of like a little holler in southern West Virginia. My dad's a coal miner. And I always saw how we had to drive like an hour to get to the nearest hospital. And I also saw that, some of our clinics weren't as well equipped as when we went to like Charleston or Morgantown or something like that. And I always wanted to bring quality healthcare to the people around me, the people I grew up with, the people who made me who I was. Rural health is this like art. It's this intersection of community engagement, public health, medicine, and like communication with the community. And what the Rural Track does is it kind of introduces you to the leaders of rural health in West Virginia. You get to rotate with them. Right now, I'm on an OB rotation with a rural doc, so I get to see OB-GYN through a rural doc's eyes and how they mitigate all sorts of like hardships that they face. So it teaches you how to think differently and to think like a rural doc and to be a problem solver. There are people in my class that want to be surgeons, that want to be endocrinologists that take this track because it opens up your mind to a different type of medicine. And it really is multiple disciplinary. You can take these skills and you can apply it to people in cities that aren't getting the healthcare that they need. You can take it and apply it to vulnerable populations, such as if you want to do LGBTQ health, you can totally apply the skills that you learned to this, which is something I'm really interested in. So I think that a lot of people don't think that the skills translate across different disciplines and that you only have to focus on like small rural medicine, but all these skills just translate into being a better doctor. If you really want to help populations that are vulnerable, especially like rural populations like West Virginia, this program helps you develop that skill set and helps you become more than someone who can just diagnose someone. It really makes you a doctor of the people and helps you connect with all different types of patients.